Okay, let's try and create this shape over here. I'm going to go to slot elongated hole. I've already created this part, so you can create your part and then you're going to create this profile. What I'm going to do is what's called elongated holes, formerly known as slots. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and what I'm going to do is select a point that represents the center of the slot, and then when I go down an inch, it's letting me know that there's an axis in the center. Go down another inch, and you can see that line is following me. I'll go down one more inch. At 3 inches, that's going to be the center axis of my slot. Click a position and slide over. I'll make that 1 inch. I'll do it one more time. Same thing, under elongated hole. Start at the exact same point, come down, end at the exact same point, and I'm going to come over 3/4 of an inch. Slide this up, and I'm simply going to click on this and hit delete. Click on this and hit delete. And then I'm going to create a line that goes from here to here. And I'm going to double click quick trim and quick trim this line and this line here off. It broke it at that center line, so I have to do 2 lines. But that's how I created the shape. The only problem with slots is it creates these lengths, and we're not supposed to do lengths, we're supposed to do radiuses. So I'm going to turn off the quick trim and delete this off. Delete that 75 and then delete this 1 inch. Highlight this profile, go to auto constrain. I'm going to reference this bottom line and this axis. I'm going to use this as my center and dimension symmetrically. I could use this until it's going to be symmetrical, stack dimension it, and say OK. Notice that when you use elongated holes or slots, it goes right to the center point and not to the tangent edge. You should always verify that you have a closed profile before you do any of the constraints. Okay, it is still under constrained because I got to set my datums. So for my datums for this would be datum A. Using my control button, this is datum B. Select under sketch the dialog box. Set your datums. Turn off the horizontal and vertical. This part is now fully constrained. And that's how you would create that part. The only thing is you got to make sure you can read these dimensions. So you got to pull these out so others can read them. Got to grab these little lines here to move this around. Okay. So you need to be able to visually see which dimensions we're pointing to, or what the dimensions are pointing to, what elements. And that's how you create this part.